Pictures have emerged of the Dragon under development in a propaganda documentary produced by the Communist Party. Chinese scientists are said to be using a newly constructed wind tunnel to test the Dragon. US spooks have previously revealed China is developing high-tech nuclear aircraft, which they have codenamed the DFZF. It is believed the aircraft has already been tested 7 times. Images shown in the documentary, broadcast last month, allege to show a mock-up of the spearhead-looking vehicle being tested. The Dragon is said to be capable of evading any missile defense system employed by the West. Scientists have designed the aircraft, known as a hypersonic glide vehicle, to sit atop a missile. It would replace conventional warheads and would be able to independently fly, evading enemy defenses. This summer, the US also tested its own hypersonic weapon with a major launch in Australia. Previously, China's defense ministry confirmed tests of the DFZF. The ministry said, "Our planned scientific research tests conducted in our territory are normal. These tests are not targeted at any country and at any specific goals." And Admiral Harry Harris, head of the U.S. Pacific Command, warned the U.S. must step up its own defenses to tackle weapons being developed by Russia and China. Footage in the documentary also revealed China's new military research wind tunnel called JF-12. It is said to be able to simulate hypersonic speeds, and Beijing claims it is more advanced than any in the US.